Yung what if is instead na gamitin natin siya in a negative connotation, gamitin natin siya in a positive way. We can actually suggest using the what if. Now, paano yun? Paano yun? So, sabihin natin, sagot na nila yung 4 questions. Sabihin natin, yung sagot niya is sa one action. Well, I want my potential clients to book an appointment with me. And I'm attracting them via advertising. And then I don't have any follow-up strategy. So, instead of you saying na, you need a landing page. No, don't do it. It's a freaking statement. So, yung gagawin mo is make them feel that they are in control. Okay, client, I definitely understand where you are coming from. Now, what if we try using a landing page instead? And then give out your reason. That way we can focus more on driving people to the one call to action you want them to do, since the website have other links that might distract them, and since it's also easier for us to track the performance of the marketing campaign. So yan lang guys. That's how you would suggest something. You always use the what if and then give out your reason. What if ganito yung gawin natin? Yung reason bakit ko naisip na ganito yung gawin natin is so parang ganun. So that's how you would give out recommendations to your clients and then just wait for their response. And sometimes, pag sabihin, like, may common question pala dito, no? So, sabihin natin, si client magtanong na, or sabihin ni client na, no, after you ask them, hey, what if we try using a landing page plus your reason? And then sabihin nila na, no, I don't want that. So, gawin mo, tanungin mo lang ng reverse na question. Okay, client, so what do you have in mind? Or what other plans do you have in mind? Ganyan lang. And then mangyayari, magtra-try yan mag-isip. Pero yung gagawin yan, well, I don't know yet. Okay, proceed na lang tayo sa landing page. So minsan kasi talaga may mga clients lang talaga na na kailangan mo lang i-push yung questions pa. Pero at the same time, hindi naman yung pushy na sales person. More on questions ka lang. Okay, so what do you have in mind? Blah, blah, blah. And then, baka din sabihin nyo na, Errol, paano yun? Kasi, di ba, pag puro ka lang tanong, baka isipin nila, ang kulit naman nito, ba't puro tanong to, ba't walang binibigay na recommendation? And then, paano yan sila makaka-feel na expert ka kung palagi ka nagtatanong lang? Actually, guys, when you ask question, baliktad yung nangyayari sa client. Most of the time, guys, nafe-feel lang natin na hindi okay magtanong kasi tayo, kumbaga, ginadjudge natin based on our criteria na hindi okay magtanong. Pero pag kausap nyo isang totoong business owner or entrepreneur, pag todo kayo ng tanong and then good question siya, you are actually helping them to realize and to identify the underlying problem na hindi nila makita. And that's more valuable for them as compared to you just knowing how to execute. Okay? So if concerned ka on asking question, like sabihin natin may mga clients talaga na mga I don't know na lang na ba't ang dami mo ng tanong? Parang ganun. So pwede mo namang sabihin, well, I am just wanting to understand your business, client, and wouldn't you agree that you might waste your money if I just give you something that's not valuable for your business? I'm just trying to understand you. So, nangyayari, ayaw nga, no? Gusto niya lang talagang maintindihan ako. So guys, baka, yun nga, if you have this logic na ang kulit, sobrang dami ng tanong, parang gano'n. No. Our job is to understand our client. That way, we can deliver something na valuable sa kanila. That's just it. Again, we are going to be judged by the questions that we ask, not by the portfolio that we show. So yun lang guys. If you found this live session valuable, comment them down below na lang.